Hey, we are here to announce the winners for the Ninja Saga Challenge, and this one was fun. Elizabeth S. finished every single one of them, 222, and she wins the $100 Amazon gift card.
Yeah, this means she passed each of these scales off at 100% accuracy.
I tried to do it. I only got to 220, but there were two that were just killing me.
Pretty awesome. Good job, Elizabeth.
So with 97, Robert A. was the winner for the random drawing.
Good
And
job.
then we had two t-shirt winners, one with 148, that's Karen R. And then one with 113, that is Jared R.
Awesome. All right, then we move to our studio division, and Lori Dunn and her studio reigns again. Together, they did 1,725 scales at 100%. Pretty amazing.
And then the random drawing went to somebody in the 400 Club, Catherine P's studio. They were in 10th place with 461.
Awesome. Congratulations, everyone. Thanks for participating. Now we have entered the Patriotic Challenge, and it's only going for 2 weeks. So jump in there, get some Patriotic Challenge songs passed off, and we'll see you in 2 weeks.
And then we'll take a break, give you a 2-week break before we start the Hymns Challenge.
Awesome. Thanks, everyone. Have a
Bye.
great day.